Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check muted emails in Gmail on your PC. Muted emails are conversations you've chosen to silence, so new replies won't appear in your inbox. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Next, click the search bar at the top of Gmail. Type is_muted and press enter. Gmail will display all of your muted email conversations. You can click on any conversation to open and read it. If you want to unmute a conversation, open the email. Then click the More icon with the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down menu, select Unmute. The conversation will be removed from the muted list, and future replies will appear in your inbox again. You can repeat these steps anytime to view or manage your muted conversations. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check muted emails in Gmail on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.